Hello guys, welcome to this part 5 of affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now, in the part 1 of this training tutorial series, if you remember, I have shared a glimpse of the number one passive income strategy to earn while you sleep. Now, in this training video, I'm going to reveal the number one passive income strategy that is used by all marketers and also the brands. Now, almost all marketers out there will agree with my point. And this strategy is none other than email marketing. Email marketing is the number one important process in any online business, whether it might be a affiliate marketing business or an e-commerce business. You always need email marketing. The reason is very simple. If you remember this saying in the marketing world, where a prospect or a person needs at least 7 to 8 times to really get an idea of the offer before they buy the offer. Now, in order to do that effectively and in order to put this landing page or put this offer in front of these prospects numerous number of times, the only way that you can do effectively is email marketing. You really need a follow-up system that will actually show the offer back to the same prospects again and again. And the best way to follow up with your prospects is email marketing. This might look a bit complicated. Let me show you how I do this in my business. Now, before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below, and I will show you all these step-by-step processes, what I do in my business. And please subscribe so that you don't miss any part of the series. You can see my screen over here, and you can see the different solo ad vendors. These are the solo ad vendors. A, B, C, and D. So the traffic comes through solo ads. The traffic is channeled to a squeeze page. And once the prospects sign into the squeeze page, they are taken into the email systems. Now, the email systems are nothing but the email autoresponders, the commercial email autoresponders, which are AWeber or Getresponse. Now, once the prospects enter the squeeze page after giving their email addresses and name, they are taken directly to the sales offer, or they are taken to a bridge page, and from the bridge page, they are taken to the sales offer page. So once they buy the sales offer, they are moved into a different list, which I will tell you later. Now, in the email systems, if they have not bought this sales offer at the very first front end, this part is called as front end, and this part is called as the back end. You can send the email automations, or you can send the email broadcast to the same offer, or you can also send them to a different offer. And once they buy from either at the front end or at the back end, which is going to be the low ticket offers, since we are getting our traffic through solo ads, please always remember to promote low ticket offers at the front end. Once they buy the product at the front end or the product at the back end, they are moved into the new list called buyers list C. So buyers list C are the ones who have bought the low ticket offers. Now, low ticket offers is something less than $20. So once they have bought this low ticket offers, they are called the buyers list C. And from the buyers list C, you can send them email automations or email broadcast to promote them with mid-ticket offers. Now you can send them the same mid-ticket offer, or you can channel them to a different mid-ticket offer. And eventually from there, you can build your buyers list B. Now, buyers list B are the ones who have bought your mid-ticket offers. Now, mid-ticket offers is anything more than $50 and up to $500, $600, even $700. So once you have built your buyers list B, now you again use your email system, which is going to be email automation or email broadcast, in order to promote them the high ticket offers. So you are going to promote them with the high ticket offers. Now you can promote the same high ticket offer, or you can channel them to a different high ticket offer. And from there, you're going to build the buyers list A. Now, what do you mean by a high ticket offer? Any offer that is more than $1,000 is going to be a high ticket offer. Now, this is the entire process that I'm doing in my business currently. And there is a tool that is going to build all these backend metrics, and which no other marketer reveals. Now, this tool is the best when it comes to email marketing using solo ads. And you can always check out this tool if you want and learn more about this tool. And if you want to know the step-by-step process that I use in my business, now the entire process flow that I explained now is very simple. All you need to do is a one-time setup, and it combines with the different softwares like the funnel building software, which is Lead Pages, where you can build the squeeze page, which is nothing but the opt-in page, and also the email autoresponder, which is AWeber or Getresponse. And you can always build these email automations or email broadcast once. And also the tool, the third-party tracking tool, which I have told you, called Optin Dojo, which will be the heart of this entire system. If you want to learn more about these tools and how I integrate into my business step by step, even a 12-year-old can understand with a basic computer knowledge, then you can always check out the video over here. Please don't take my word, and you can always go and watch this video where I show you step by step, and it's going to be a long tutorial series. So go and watch it and you will definitely get real value out of it. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.